Meaning of Emmy.
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 Emmy. The Emmy Awards, or simply the Emmys, are a set of American awards that recognize excellence in the television industry. They are presented annually by various organizations including the Academy of Television Arts and Sciences and the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. The awards recognize outstanding performances, series, and programs in various categories such as drama, comedy, reality, and documentary. First awarded in 1949, the Emmys have become one of the most prestigious awards in the entertainment industry, similar to the Oscars for the film industry.